Go on. All right, Mommy wants to see what your brother thinks of his toy. Okay. All right, Mr. Calliston. There it is. Da da da. Hey, Bree. Hit it. Hit it. Go whack. Come on, Bree. Hey, Bree, hit it. Push it. Push it down. Push. Do you want me to show you? Hold on. Let me show you. All right, hold on. Go whack. Go boom. Just hit it. It's okay. You're just supposed to play with it. That's all. There you go, Calliston. Get it. Push it. Bree, you're cheating. Push it. And not quite a ball. I don't know what you call it exactly. Well, right now it's a Star Wars design. I guess it's supposed to be a villain. You're supposed to beat him up. Hurry, stop. Bring it over here. Come on. There. Let's turn it with a little face. Down. Whoops. I didn't mean to step on that thing. Push it, Bree. Put it down. Silly. Put it down. Look, here. Okay. Down. 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 Let Calliston get it. Bree, let Calliston play with it. Put it down in front of him. Bree, put it down. Bree. Bree, let Calliston play with it. Stop. Stop. Let him play with it too. Well, you gotta let him play with it. Silly girl. You can play with it too, but you gotta let him play with it. You can both play with this toy. Hit it, Calliston. Go whack. There you go. Bree, get off. No. That defeats the purpose. The point is you hit it and it bounces back up. comes. Oh, he's going that way. Okay, I guess I'll turn this off for now, and we'll just have fun playing with it. Here it comes. Hello. All right, say bye-bye, Bree. Say bye to the camera. Say bye-bye. I'm distracted, Mommy. All right. Uh-oh, here he comes. Boom. You silly girl. Boom. Here. Here, get you. All right, Bree, say bye-bye. Oh, well.